Kini kita Durasan Meghalaya bat ngipti yang sobai pi baro syakatup kubar mata kajanmit. Syaban pais ki kubar ke babnya ngini pecai kimat pekongsan. Kutno ka dorbar sunrise jong ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jela da ka jingpa se ki bil ki bakongsan ki bakentup ya ka Meghalaya appropriation bill arpo apusau but ka Meghalaya identification registration safety and security of migrant workers amendment bill arpo apusau. Pinsngo UMLA ka VPP iba Adelbert Nongrum ya ka sarkar halor ka jingnang kiyo ki kam shalan bean ya ki brio hakandailat. Pinbena Menteri Rangba ka jila u Conrad K Sangma ya ki jingpen kala bakongsan ya ka Meghalaya Protection of Catchment Area Act khat kandai spa kandai po ki batmu ban pen bha ya ka rukam trekam bat ban pen bet ya ki jing e. Bat wengno ka sarkar jila ya ka jing toket ka high level halor ka jing yap jong unang yalam ka Awami League. Ki khubor ki buknia kayeng dorbar thau an hine kasngi kala pas ya bontli ki bil ki badon kam ha kasngi penkut ya ka dorbar liur na ki bil ki bala dep ban pas ki bakentup ya ka Meghalaya appropriation bill arpusau ka Meghalaya identification registration safety and security of migrant workers amendment bill arpusau but ka Meghalaya state housing board repealing bill arpusau ki weide ki bil ki bala dep ban pas ki long ka Meghalaya Goods and Services Amendment Bill arpusau ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill arpusau but ka Meghalaya Community and Public Service Social Audit Amendment Bill arpusau kumjuru ka Captain Williamson State University Amendment Bill arpusau ulampang ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jila u Thomas Sangma ula penkut no ya ka yeng dorbar da ka jing pas ya ki bil U MLA jong ka VPP na North Shillong iba Adelbert Nongrum ha ka kenta keli jingkeli ila wanra ya kamat syapang ka jingnang kiu ki jing shalan bean ya ki brio jong ka sor Shillong ha khandailat ka bahap hapo ka constituency ka jong u menteri ka tanat ki kam penroi sor uba snyo bhalang dhar ula jubab ba yakani kamat ansa bishar benya iba Nongrum ilabu jingkeli ru ya ka sarkar balada ka jing thmu jong ka jing ker ya ki reling ha khandailat ka dei na ka benta banthat ne em ki jan ya ka ba uba dhar ha ka jubab ka jong u ula pentikna ba kani ka jing pen snow ka long ka ba kongsan bat ba unsa shimkhia bat pha ya ki officer jong u la shai kasni ban khang ya kino ki bathat jan ha ki te ki reling.
The second, incident, it was happening on the 16th October 2019. They're exactly in the circle of the Khandailat, which are erected with a long high mast. This thing happened, it was an eyesore.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why the reply is no? Because till today, there is no official complaint has been received by the department. That is the reason why I reply no. Anyway, I know the concern is important. I would like to assure that my member, from tomorrow, I will instruct my officer, I won't allow anybody to hang clothes on the
No.
Menteri Rangba ka jila u Conrad K Sangma ula penbena hine kasngi ba ka sarkar ka don jingthmu ban pentrekam ya ka Meghalaya Protection of Catchment Area Act khat khandai spa khandai pho ya ka ne la le akhnang ban pen khlan ya ka jing pentrekam ya ka ne ka an kabalami jing e ban pentrekam na ka daw ka jing shania ha ka jing ai jing bit jong ki trai khando ban yo shna ya ka ne ka catchment area kani ka jubab kalami na ka jingbu jingkeli jong MLA ka sang UDP uba Olensun ka bakado halor ka jingdon kam ban shim ya kilat kilinti ki babiang banyada ya kini ki jaka bakongsan.
In rural areas, source of PHE water, as it gets dwindling every year, the time may come when it gets dry up. I want to make an appeal to the concerned department, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, to take care that all this Catchment Area Protection Act, not only to be applicable to big catchment area.
Menteri Rangba ka jila u Conrad K Sangma ula penbena ya ka jing thmu ban te lakam ya ki jing yakop khwai dok kha ha ka ba ya dei bat ki jing e na ka jing duna dok kha ha ka jila ha ka dorbar u MLA ka UDP u ba lakamen rumboi ula penpau ba kinong penya ya kini ki jing yakop ki la shalan na bar jila hadu lai spa 1000 kilo ki dok kha na ka benta san spa tali ki jing yakop Usang ma ula penskem baka jela kamat ya kijing jong kijing duna dokha kabalong khat ar hajar metric ton man la usnem kat ba kijing penmi hajela kalong tang ar phowe hajar naka laipo ar hajar metric ton kababam kani kijing te lakam kathmu ban penbet ya kijing bambiang bat man pentikna ban penne ya kijing don kam ya kidokha
40 crores still there for people to tap into. So, yes, sir, the suggestion given by the Honourable Member will also help in increasing the revenue of the farmers. I will definitely take note of this, and we will encourage that even for future competitions that the fish can be bought from the local farmers. Sir.
Kasorka jilla kala pentip hinin kasni baka jing tokit halor ka jing keno thombor jong kishipai BSF ya ka longying ha East Giant Hills District kaladep usimbot menteri rangba ka jilla iba Preston Tensong ila ai jubab ya ka call attention notice na UMLA ka VPP iba Bright Starwell Mabanyang ila penskem baka ni ka jingja kala long ka bala biang ban mudui Kipulit kila register ya kani ka jingmudoy ha Riat Women Police Station hapo ki an baper ka IPC but POCSO Act.
Number 16 in bracket 06 2024 with charges filed under section 457 326 354 506 384 and 34 Indian Penal Code read with section 7 and 8 of the POCSO Act.
Menteri jong katanat agriculture ikong Amprin Lingdo mentakasni la pentikna baka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission balaseng ha usnem arjar khat khandai ling baka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Act katkum ka jing pentip ka balayo ha ka khandru tarik ubnai risau arjar khat khandai kani ka commission ka longkum ka jing pon lenti ha pedang ki nong rep pat ka sarkar ka ba penlet jingmut ha ki rukam trekam kiban kershan ya ki nong rep ha ka jilla ila ongru ya kani haba jubab ya ka jingkali balakali da UMLA ka VPP na Mauring Keneng iba Havingstone Karpran
was constituted in 2019 by an act of the Meghalaya State Legislative Assembly through the Meghalaya's Farmers Empowerment Commission Act 2019 Act number 22 of 2019. The role of the Commission is to act as a bridge between the farmers and the government in identifying key issues, to engage itself in the formulation of long-term and short-term policy measures for the benefit of the farmers in the state of Meghalaya.
Kasorkar Meghalaya kala penbena bahkan don syu ka jing tokit ka bahakli du halor ka jing lap ya ka met yap ka balaput jong unong yalam ka Awami League u Ishak Ali Khan usembut menteri rangba ka jilla iba Preston Tensong ila penpau bala pentip syaka Bangladeshi High Commission bat ka Ministry of External Affairs ba la itu ya ka met yap kadau jong ka jing yap ansatip hadin ka test jong ka forensic bat ya ka met yap lalap ha ka arpundu tarik unailar Iway 0.1 kilometer hapo ka kaput jong ka India Bangladesh ka badon ha East Giant Hills District.
Right now, we still, we are really confused because the information we received from the BSF, they said that in fact, there was no question of attempting entering India. That is number one. And then ultimately, I think because from the BTR side, from the Bangladesh side, they claim that the leader of Awami League, he was trying to escape to India, and then he was on the way. But BSF, they verified it and they said it was not like that. But ultimately, after 2 or 3 days, yes, his dead body was found inside, I think 1.2, 1.3 kilometers inside the Indian territory.
Ha kasngi rakhe ya ka National Sports Day ulat ka jilla CH Vijay Shankar ula ai ka jingkren yaki khna NCC Haraino Auditorium Shillong halor ka jingdon kam ya ka jingkwat jingkya bat ka jingeshim benta jongki khna NCC ha ka bayadei bat ki jingjulor babun ulat ula ai ru ya ka jingero shaka NCC na ka benta ka jingtrei jongki mentala nyopun rius nem bat banjur bat banjur ba ka jing pen kre jong kini ki khna ha ki por ki ba e kan long ka jing rap ka ba kong san ha ka imlang sa lang bat bakan ai men sim bat jing da wat ha ki por ki jing jular jong kamaryang
years, the National Cadet Corps has been an inspiration of the selfless service, shaping the youth of our nation into disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizen. One of the critical areas where your training, we believe, invaluable in the disaster management. Meghalaya, with its unique topography, is prone to natural calamities like floods, landslides, and earthquakes. Your ability to respond quickly in times of crisis will not only to save their lives, but it will also reinforce the trust and confidence that the community places in NCC.
I principal Kaminken Christian Higher Secondary School I Everlasting Pungrop in sa Shapan Kup Buram daka National Teachers Award arpo sao. I principal ilapan pau ya ka jing songu bat pensyai baka kusnam ka penpau ya ka jing teri shitam jong baro kinong teri jong ka school. Lalai pusau senam kenti ilapan ya ka nika school nadu usnam arhajar khatway bat ila yo ya ka jing itu na ka benta ka jing teri shitam ka jong I haka puli puthi. Ya ka nika jing rakhe an penlong hanong ba Delhi haka santerik unailar.
Ula bandon dekat bat nga kumu syukri jong play ban tre kini ke school antala lai khusau snem tinggal long principal untuk snem arja kharwei bat hai kini snem ngadon koi ka thom kata kalong kumu ban kentiu ya kini ke school na ka kerdan ka baka ka don ha gitu snem bat wan ra ya ke jingkela kata kalong ban wan ra ya ke jing kentiu ya kini ke school ha kiliang baro ya ngu bo boleh don dekat ha kini ke khendiat snem ki bala lai mengilala ban kentiu ya kini ke school ha kini ke jinglong ko jongka isukman shikot mengilala ban syukri ya kini ke dong ka than ko jongi Pagwaganig school, ilalaban seng kum ka secondary, tenring lalaban pli ka higher secondary ya ka arts haus nam arajar. Lai ilalaban seng ya ka higher secondary class 11 commerce haus arajar khalai. Nanta haus arajar kuar nila pli sa ka science stream.
I principal ka Union Christian College lani ka UCC Higher Secondary School ila I bayarlin nongrang ila palat padba ya ka kot thamai ka bakerteng ka teachers attitude towards the profession of elementary level education bala tho lang da I Dr. Mistilia Dakar kani ka kot kathmu ban ai jing kershan ya kinong hikai da ka ba ai jing hikai halor ka rukom long jong kinong hikai ha kelas bat ban penya dai ya ladi bat ki khana pule Kajingwat benia na kabenta kanika kot kala sedang nadu kipor jong ka klam covid khat khandai bat kathmu ban penbha ya ki rukam hikai bat yarap ya kino hikai ha ka district bat ki jaka paper
Research makabala ya ka master degree in education then haplek the research nang tanga lek questionnaires then the questionnaires pada ki long ba ki mentoy ya ki bobo na khamshim da ready made questionnaire dengan shim da da national ki questionnaire then I ki thina then makade ka lockdown class I through like WhatsApp and all ban joba some student are selected ada kapor then nang ta padan dala itho baka idyang no dong sedong ka ilong applicable especially for the elementary school teachers pakhat bad I madam jonga bad igai ban skala ka doju kot ban tho no da kot nomor bakila ban yarap yaki no hikai ki badang hikai ha ka elementary school education
Lapenlong ya ka district level science seminar halor kapang artificial intelligence potentials and concerns Minin ha RMSA Government Secondary School Jowai balapan ya da ka district school education officer lani ka DSEO ha kanika seminar layo I ya ka jingpen I halor ka jingmen toy bat ki jingduna jong ka AI technology o deputy commissioner iba B Soalia ila banjur halor ka jingpen dan kam jong ka AI nadu kipor ki pakam menshwa bat ya ka jingla ka jongka ban wat jingtip halor kimat jongka jingkala ha kamariang la samru ya ki sernat shakinong job baro bat ugari ruben nongplu ulawan ha ka kerdan ka baningkong
We say so, mankind have toyed, have played, developed, have experimented with artificial intelligence right from when they split the atom. That's artificial intelligence that time, like as we proceeding through the years. In fact, before the advent of the computers, the calculator was already there. I think all of us, we quite elderly, we know that calculator, plus minus, we do all the calculations. That is artificial intelligence. I think you'll agree with me.
Mentang ini pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun benang hanong ba shalong ka jingshit kalong 0.9 degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khatnyo 0.9 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw kalong khandai punriu na ka shispa ha ka por min step bat prap hway na ka shispa ha ka por janmet Kala bandon kajing hap slap ka pemelu malah bat kajing tiad upertat haki babun teli ki jaka. Syaban poi syaka bekut jong katup kubor ngin yapik biang saisin yakimat bakongsan. Kutno ka dorbar senrai jong ka yeng dorbar thau an ka jilla da ka jingpa si ki bil ki ba kongsan ki ba kentup ya ka Meghalaya appropriation bill arpo apusau but ka Meghalaya identification registration safety and security of migrant workers amendment bill arpo apusau. Pinsnga UMLA ka VPP ya iba Adelbert Nongrum ya ka sarkar halor ka jingnang kiu ki kam shalan bean ya ki brio hakandailan. Penbena Menteri Rangba ke Jila Konrad K. Sangma ya ki jingpen kala bakongsan ya ka Meghalaya Protection of Catchment Area Act khat khandai spa khandai pau ki batmu ban penbha ya ka rukom trekam bat penbet ya ki jing e. Bat wengno ka sarkar Jila ya ka jing toket ka high level halor ka jingyap jong unong yelam ka Awami League. Te parlok ka tung ilap poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor jing imenta ka janmit haduk mindai syam yang pilai syai kesni kublai pi baro.
Anthony Van Mauya. Meghalaya government takes step to streamline recruitment process, says Chief Minister Konrad K.